Spring weather can bring more than just clouds and rain. It can also bring tornadoes.
And that is why emergency management officials in Minnesota and Wisconsin are helping people throughout our area practice the skills they could need if a tornado were to touch down. Tomorrow at 1:45 and 6:45 in both states, there will be a statewide tornado drill.
Yeah, communities may sound their emergency sirens, but are not required to do so at that time. So no matter where you are, officials are urging everyone to take the time to practice getting to shelter as you would need to in case of an emergency.